Singapore, a city like no other. A city of innovation, commerce, beauty, and one of the most delicious food on the earth. A city populated by diverse and wonderful peoples without any mistakes. Singapore is ultimate mountain, parts of the Southeast Asia. It has a lots of tall buildings where roads are connected throughout all corners of the island in expressway. Every corner of this city-state has something you need to offer, from shopping to temples, architecture to food. It also one of the safest country in the world, so walk around all you want whenever you want. So come along as I show you where to go, what to do, and of course what to eat in the Lion City. As we covered some of the most famous places in each separate videos. You can check it out in description below. Hope you like our videos. Please share your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified for the next video. This is an always interesting place. Yes, you may guess now we are going to visit in Sentosa Island. Let's begin. Sentosa is island resort of Singapore in southern coast. It is connected to the city by road, cable car, boardwalk and monorail. Sentosa is full of entertaining things to do. There is something for everyone in Sentosa. From trading adventure theme parks to pristine beaches, from leisure shows to fine dining, Sentosa has everything for a perfect getaway. We try to explain each way how we can travel. Mount Faber Line Cable Car. It will take 20 minutes walking distance from Vivo City Mall to reach the Mountain Faber station. This route is the most scenic and beautiful, where you can see good sceneries around. There is only 3 cable car stations: Mount Faber, Harbourfront Tower and Last Merlin Station, which lies in Sentosa Island. Other option is Sentosa Express monorail. It departs from Vivo City Mall on 3rd floor. This is the cheapest route to reach Sentosa. You can use multiple entry for a day. It has total 4 stations: Sentosa Station, Waterfront Station, Imbiah Station and Beach Station. Boardwalk. This is free walkable option to reach Sentosa. You can go by walking in Boardwalk, passing through good views. We start from the outside of Vivo City Mall and end beside of the Trikia Museum. It's around 700 meters long. For easier, there are multiple walking escalators also available. You can also travel by public transportation.